Service has issued Tornado Watch number 516, effective until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Avoyelles, Caterpillar, Concordia, and Rapides. Remember that Tornado Watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, southeastern Verdun Parish in west central Louisiana until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pitkin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Elmer around 9:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Union Hill and Calcasieu. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado warning for northeastern Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:44 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pineville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Ball and Colin around 8:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Libus and Esla Regional Airport around 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. Holloway and Center Point around 9:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Fairfield around 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 76 and 90. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
SVR.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson Parish, North Central McIntosh Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southwestern Washington Parish, southeastern Bienville Parish in north A severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles southwest of Jonesboro, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jonesboro, Chatham, Hodge, Goldona, North Hodge, Dodson, East Hodge, Saline, Ashland, Whitman, Eros, Calhoun, Friendship, Mineral Springs, Caterville, Lapine, and Folksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Jackson, Natchitoches, Ouachita, and Wynne.